Alright, for question 24, again, the first thing we want to do is write everything in terms of sine and cosine. So we have the cosine of x over 1 over the cosine of x plus the sine of x over cosine of x. In the denominator, we have a common denominator, so we can add these fractions, giving us the cosine of x over 1 plus the sine of x over the cosine of x. Again, we do have a complex fraction, but a single fraction here, and the denominator allows us to then multiply the numerator by the reciprocal of the denominator. So we have the cosine of x times the cosine of x over 1 plus the sine of x. That gives us cosine squared of x over 1 plus the sine of x. Now, a couple ways to go from here. The way that I'm going to go is I'm going to get everything in terms of sine. Cosine squared x is 1 minus, I'll change colors back. We had 1 minus sine squared of x over 1 plus the sine of x. From here, what we have is the difference of two perfect squares, so this factors into 1 plus the sine of x times 1 minus the sine of x, and what that allows us to do is to factor out here to cancel out these factors, leaving us with only 1 minus the sine of x. And that's as far as we can go. The other thing that you could do is from this step right here, you can multiply by the conjugate. I'm not saying you would go this way, although we did talk about this in class today. And what we have is 1 minus sine squared x times, I'm not going to multiply these, 1 minus the sine of x over 1, again conjugate, so we have outside, outside and inside cancel, first and last, 1 minus the sine squared of x, again cancel and cancel, leaving us with the same thing. So that's two ways of solving question number 24.